First of all, open Termux app. It is installing its libraries. It takes some time. It is installed. Give command pkg install wget. This is the one-time process. After that, you can download any video easily in one click. Give command y for yes. Then give command package install python to install Python language, which is necessary for YouTube DL. It is installing. Give y for yes. Paste above link to copy script into your Termux, which is necessary for downloading YouTube video. Give command dos to unix inst.sh to convert inst.sh script into Unix format. Give command chmod u+x inst.sh. After giving all the permissions, run the script. Click on allow permission. Setup completed. Now this is the time for downloading YouTube video. So open YouTube. And open any video. Click on share icon. Then select Termux. It will ask for quality you want to download, specify video quality, and your downloading will be started. Download completed.